Vance's and his family's scheduled from Jaipur to Agra that they will be visiting tomorrow. However, what has now been said, amid tight security, they have been welcomed with traditional Rajasthani style cultural performances as well, including elephants as part of the welcome ceremony that is taking place, and their visit to the Amer Fort, and of course with their three children, Yvonne, Vivek and Mirabel as well. They have been staying at the Rambagh Palace. Let's get in a word from Sabya right now. Sabya, colorful pictures of traditional Rajasthani dance, culture and welcome that is being showcased to the second family of United States.
Well, that's right. Traditional welcome given to J.D. Vance and his family who have reached the Amer Fort here in Jaipur. Now we have seen that the Jaipur folk dance as well as elephants has been placed to welcome the U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance and his family members. A short while from now, they had left from the Rambagh Palace here in Jaipur, where the family have been staying, and after leaving they have reached the Amer Fort, where they would be spending 1 to 2 hours at the Amer Fort. And the Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Diya Kumari, is also present at the Amer Fort. But what the family, after visiting the fort, they would be returning to the Rambagh Palace, and they would be having their lunch at the Rambagh Palace itself. And post lunch, J.D. Vance will be heading towards the Rajasthan International Centre, where he would be addressing this crucial speech on the India relation, in India-US ties, and that will be extremely crucial from the US point of view as well as from India's point of view as well. So clearly, the post that J.D. Vance will be returning to the Rambagh Palace, where later in the evening, Chief Minister of Rajasthan and the Governor of Rajasthan will be meeting J.D. Vance and his family. Absolutely, and
interaction with the political and business leaders that would be taking place later in the day at the RIC, where J.D. Vance himself will be present there, and beautiful scenic pictures that are now coming in with regards to the family coming together to witness India's cultural history and the dance, and of course what all is at display, because we also saw the elephants giving a majestic salute. Sabyasachi, as the pictures that have been coming in, quite colorful. Of course, this is something that Rajasthan is well known for.
Well, that's right. See majestic pictures coming in from the Amer Fort, where the elephants are giving a majestic salute to the U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance and his family members. Now, cultural programs have been planned earlier. There were several mock drills by the police personals in Jaipur, and the Amer Fort has been closed for the local people for 24 hours because of security reasons. But a lot of traditional shows has been planned for the Vance family at the Amer Fort, and political leaders are also present to welcome J.D. Vance and his family at the Amer Fort, and they would be spending around 1 to 2 hours at the fort, where several cultural programs are also lined up.
All right, pictures that are now coming in as far as the first official visit of U.S. Vice President J.D. Vance along with his family. A grand welcome that was also given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi last evening. But this is how Atithi Devo Bhava, the grand welcome, as India is known for its hospitality. This is the grand Rajasthani welcome that is being accorded to the Vance family. Take a look.